If you want to enjoy your favorite shows or movies offline without using Wi-Fi or mobile data, Netflix allows you to download almost any title directly to your iPhone. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps you need to follow. Let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your iPhone. Choose the profile you want to use. Now open any movie or TV show that you want to download. Right below the title track, look for the download icon. It looks like a downward arrow. Tap on it. Your download will begin immediately. To access your downloaded show or movies, go back to your home screen. Now tap the download icon in the top part of your screen. All your offline movies and episodes will appear here. You can watch them anytime, even without internet. That's all you need to do. Now you can easily download your favorite movies and shows on Netflix using your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. See you in the next one.